Hi, my name is Ella. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using Mongo database, check that the version is 6.0, especially before performing an update. Before proceeding with an upgrade, it's important to note that if you manage multiple source and target subscriptions using advanced patterns through REST APIs, since February 2024 update or later, you'll need to adjust your API requests to include both general and specific Transfer CFT properties. For the November release, some important fixes have been implemented. You can reuse a partner as source and target in the same secure transport flow when using the SFTP protocol. For other protocols, you must duplicate the communication profile content under a different communication profile name. Also, in the latest version, we've added 2 new customizable parameters for TLS version on Bridge and Agent, TLS min and max version. Starting with this release, a partner can participate in a flow multiple times across different subscriptions based on template, either as a client or server. They can use different login credentials while maintaining the same flow properties or use the same credentials with different properties. Starting with this version, when Enable Subscription Approval option is activated, you can now configure Approval Emails parameter to send email notifications to subscription approver users. As part of recent updates, we've enabled the reuse of account template name across different partners' client communication profiles. Consequently, these partners can now share the same account template. You can trigger a transfer request using only the IDF specified in the command using the PECIT and SFTP protocols. Previously, executing a transfer with CFT required the part information. With this release, the most important information is the flow identifier. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.